All right, we are at the campground. I got us a campsite. It's 24 bucks. This campground's huge. This is Loop H. Goes up to I believe, even more. Bathroom and showers. Your boy's gonna get distinct. I might walk around and explore. This campground is massive. Private events, campfires. I want to hang the hammock up. Let's fucking go. You hear him? Oh, oh, oh. We're getting close. This whole trail is sand. It sucks. But I'm gonna see my sea puppies. I'm gonna see them. Well, we've gone as far as I'm willing to go because they are all the way over on the other side of the bridge. All the way over there. So let's mosey to the beach for sunset. Let's go. So inadvertently, by pursuing my water puppies, I have placed myself quite the hike from the beach. We gotta go all the way yonder. Will you just flip? There you go. Thanks, babe. We gotta go far. I mean far. And I'm about to. Made it to the beach. It's beautiful. Honestly, it's so simple. Like the most minimalist beach of happiness. Check it out. All I can say is I'm glad that I didn't walk back yet because this sunset, holy shit.